Hi guys, today we're going to be going through box plot. I'll be explaining how to draw a box plot and what each term represents. This is a typical example of how a box plot would look like. I'll be explaining what each line represents. This line here, that represents your minimum value. So in your set of data, that's going to be your smallest number. This first line here, so this line here, that represents your lower quartile. This is usually given to you in your exam. This line here represents your median. And this line here represents your upper quartile. And this line here, last line here, represents your maximum value. This tends to be your highest value. In the exam, all these values would be given to you. All you have to do is just plot them. We'll be going through an example now and we'll show you how to actually plot a box plot. Here on the board we've got a set of data, and that's how it usually appears on your exam. And with this set of data we're going to be plotting our box plot. Here's a grid that we're going to be using to actually plot our box plot. They usually give this to you in the exam. All we're going to be doing now is just plotting these values onto the grid. Our minimum value is 18, and 18 is just roughly here. So because that's our minimum value, we're just going to draw a straight line. And our lower quartile is 25. So I'm going to connect this line, take it to 25, just draw another line. Our median value is 29, so that's just going to be just before 30 right there. So we could just draw a little box. That's going to be our median right there. And our upper quartile is 33, which is just there. So we're just going to draw upper quartile now. As you can see, we've got a box right there. And now we've just got a maximum value to do, which is 44, which is just right there. So we just draw a straight line. And we just finish off with another vertical straight line. And that's our box plot, and that's how you would plot it in your exam. Sometimes in the question they might ask you to find out your interquartile range. And to find out your interquartile range, you just need your upper quartile and your lower quartile. So in our case it's 33 and 25. And to find out your interquartile range, all you'd have to do is just 33, take away 25, and your answer is 8, and that's your interquartile range.